Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to upload YouTube Shorts from PC. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So in order to upload a YouTube short video, it is actually pretty simple. As you can see, I'm in my home screen and here I have the YouTube short that I want to upload in front of me. So in order to do that, first thing that you're going to need to do is open up your favorite web browser, then go to youtube.com and make sure that you are connected to the YouTube channel that you want to upload the YouTube short onto. Now, you want to click onto the video camera icon in the top right hand corner, which is the create button. And then from this drop down menu, you want to click onto the upload video option. Just like that. It's going to take you to the YouTube Studio page and open you up this window, which will ask you to either drag and drop a video file to upload, or you can just click onto the select files button here underneath. From here, I'm going to go to my desktop, which is where I'm going to find the video that I am intending to upload. And then I'm going to look for it from here. So once you find your short video, give it a click to highlight it and then click onto the open button right here. As you can see, YouTube already detected the video as a short. It says it looks like you're uploading a short. All your shorts are automatically considered for Shorts ad revenue sharing. Now, let's fill in the necessary information. Here in this box, you want to write a title for the short. Make sure to write something that attracts the users of YouTube or the viewers. As you can see, now scroll down to the description, and here you want to describe what's on your video and leave some links if there are any. You can see I already have a prepaid template, so all I have to do is write down the title here again. Uploading shorts was a little bit different in the past. You used to have to write a hashtag shorts to the title in order to YouTube to upload it as a short video, but this doesn't work anymore. Now, let's scroll down. You want to click here if you want to add your video to an existing playlist. And now let's keep scrolling. Click onto here for the advanced settings. And here you want to tick this box that says no. And down here, you can add a tag or two to your video. It could help viewers to find your video. And just like that, I guess we are done with the details section. Now let's go to the ads suitability section. Here you want to scroll all the way down to the none of the above box and tick it. And then scroll up here and go to the submit rating button on the right hand side of the window and give it a click. Now to the next section. Here, the ad-related video option is a very useful tool. It allows you to connect your short video to a long format one that you have already uploaded on your channel. So I'm going to go here and choose a random video from this list, as you can see. And finally, we can go to the visibility section. From here, you can choose whether you want to save or publish your video. You can choose to share it privately, unlisted, or make it public. You also have the option to schedule it and to be uploaded on a certain time and date, and click onto the schedule button here on the bottom right hand corner of the window. Or you can just make it public and click onto the publish button right here instead. So that's it. That is how to upload YouTube Shorts from PC. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.